how to show or hide the www or the .com on the keyboard for the Galaxy A15. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Now on the home screen, we swipe down at the top to open up quick settings. In here, tap on the settings icon. Then we scroll down, and from here, tap on General Management. Next, we go down and then tap on Samsung keyboard settings. After that, tap on Layout. Now we scroll down, and in the web address input section, you can choose to turn on www or the .com. So tap on the toggle button to hide it or to show it. Now when you turn this on, this can take some space on the keyboard, so you might want to switch it off. So that is totally up to you. And that's it. So here it is. I can turn it on or switch it off. And finally, you can tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.